Hello, Forex traders. This is your boys back here, and I believe you all are doing amazing, guys. Now, in today's video, today we are going to make the fifth withdrawal with FTMO. All right. And guys, as I always tell you guys, I have no affiliation with any of these prop firms. All right. So this is me just organically trying to do my best to contribute to the trading community. So everything that I'm putting out here is just pure organic performance. And now, why am I doing this? Just to remind you guys, okay, it's not just for me to come here and flaunt my skills, my ability to be able to make money, profit out of the currency market. But the idea is that we are in a capital intensive market, all right? And probably some of you that you may be watching this video don't have the capital to come into make your way to the top. Let me put it in that way, all right, in terms of financial freedom. And we have the leverage that these prop firms brings to us. Are you guys with me? Whereby you have to pay very little to have an access to a very big capital. So that is why I'm just doing these videos. Probably very soon I'll come up with another prop firm. So you guys stay tuned, all right? If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, okay? So guys, if you're in your trading journey very soon, if you're in your early trading journey stages and you want me to help you to, fast track your trading journey, become very, very profitable, guys, you can reach out to me on Instagram, okay? So guys, without further ado, let's go on the dashboard. I'll show you what we have to withdraw, okay? Here we are. This is the account. Let's get into it. Okay, so 50K, all right? Let me take you guys to the trade we took. Okay, so this is the account. We took the first trade here in a buy, all right? As you guys can see, here is the account, right? So we took the first buy here, we followed it, and we came here. We saw the market was going to reverse, all right? Here, I took a trade to pass another 50K challenge. And then this is the one that we use to the account to 10%. So we jump in here with another trade whereby we took it to 10% of the 50K. And this is it, all right? Let's go back to FTMO and let's make the withdrawal really quick. Guys, for those of you watching this video for the first time, okay, I recommend you to go and watch my video called My First FTMO Withdrawal, whereby I showed you guys every bit about the steps, the process, what you have to do, the KYC verification, the documents, and everything that you will need, the questions that they may ask you. Okay, so this is the withdrawal. Okay, this is how much we are making, as you guys can see. So yeah, they take their 20%, and this is a claim reward. Oh boy, man, I got it, man. Yo. Okay, reward successfully claimed. I think, okay, we've received your reward request. It's now being processed. Okay, so they will have to send another email. You will be notified once it's complete. This usually take 1 to 2 business days. So, yeah, that is that. And at this point, we'll have to wait, all right? In the meantime, I want to show you guys, no, nothing. I won't show you guys anything. I have a video coming, okay? So you guys stay tuned, whereby I'm managing different accounts. This is real accounts, not demo or prop firm accounts. I'm managing real accounts with robots, all right? And they are all in profits. Not just my accounts, I'm managing even other people's accounts too with my algorithms that I've built, the systems that I've built, and they are all in profit. So stay tuned, all right? I'll be making a withdrawal too with a prop firm that I traded everything with robots. So guys, stay tuned on that video too as well. If you are new, you better subscribe because that video is going to be a banger, all right? Whereby I manage this prop firm account and I've made 5% out of it, all hands free. I didn't click any button, all right? Just to, show you the possibilities that is outside there. And yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. I don't want to make this video so long. So we will come back with the part 2 after FTMO has write us, and I will show you the payouts. So guys, that is that. I believe you all are doing well. I'll catch you in the part 2. Peace out. Hello guys, so sorry that I'm not able to show my face in this part of the video due to some one or two inconveniences. I wasn't able to get my setup complete, all right? So anyway, let's wrap it up very quick, okay? So as you guys can see here, I already have a new FTMO account. Now this is not the one that we are going to cash out, okay? This is the one that I'm going to cash out, all right? Now, before I will be able to get the account for this one, I need to finish the withdrawal that we are going to do in this video. This is a new funded account that FTMO just gave to me, all right? As you guys can see here, last week, you see, I passed the verification phase, you see? So it was done last week. So this is the account for it, all right? You see, there's no profit cap. So this clearly shows that it's a funded account. Let us not digress. Let's go and make the withdrawal, all right? It's the same old process, all right? Start process. These are previous withdrawal that I've done with FTMO. So it says, congratulations on making a profit. Well done indeed. The total profit on your trading account, all right, is 5K. Then they take up their own, your reward is 4,032.11 cents, all right? No, let me get my refund. I want my money back. All right, good. So this is the refund, all right? Let's withdraw everything, all right? So because now I have two funded accounts with them, all right? This one that I'm withdrawing the profits, after I finish this one, they will give me a new funded account, all right? And the one that I showed you guys, are you guys getting me? So in reality, it's like I'm having 100K with FTMO. You guys get me? So yeah, I don't see the need of using the money to buy a different account. I will go like that. None of this thing, leave it there. I'm withdrawing all my profits. So yeah, let me see if I can try a card. All right, so add a card. All right, so I'll put in the details of my card, and once I'm done, I'll come back to the video so that you guys will see the conclusion, all right? Guys, once you put in your bank details or your card details, then you come here, you press, I don't want any of these, I don't have any special requirements. Then I click on proceed, right? You don't have a click. So here is everything, all right? I'm receiving it in GBP, all right? So yeah, guys, that is that. Here I'll have to put in my code. Okay, your payout request has been successfully submitted. The processing time of your withdrawal varies. You will receive an email confirmation within 3 working days that your payout has been processed. 3 working days. These are all previous payouts that I've received from FTMO when I was trading on a 10K account, all right? And this new year, 2026, the Lord told me that we should take it to another level. So we moved to a 50K account. And as you guys can see, we have 250 accounts now. This one that I'm going to withdraw the profit from, once they give me the profit, they will give me the account. And now I have a newer account waiting for me, okay? So this one, I just have to connect it to my account and start trading it right from Monday, all right? As you guys can see, it is Saturday at the time I'm making the withdrawal. So on Monday, I will connect, okay, this new funded account and trade with this one. Then when I make profit on this, I will pause and I will start with the one that they will give to me, all right? So traders, as you can see, you see FTMO just gave me funded account for the withdrawal that I made, okay? So you guys can see I have 250K accounts with FTMO, which is like 100K, all right? And I like them separate in this way. So guys, this brings us to the end of this video. Once the money hits my bank account, I will add it at the end of the video and you guys will see the image as always as confirmation of the money hitting my bank account. Guys, I love you much. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel if you like the content that I'm providing to you guys. If you guys need any information in terms of helping you guys to fast track your trading journey to become profitable traders, you guys can hit me up on Instagram, zback_world, all right? Write me on Instagram and I'll be more than glad to have a conversation with you guys to understand your need. All right, guys, I thank you very much for your time and peace. God bless you. See you in the next video. Stay blessed. Bye.